Mickey Mouse, Snoopy, and the Bungo. And the ring limber. And the circle.
Anybody else you want to say hi to?
How about Greater Kudu?
Yeah, say hi to the Greater Kudu.
Hi, Greater Kudu.
What about the scimitar horned oryx?
Okay.
Can you find him and say hi? You gotta keep going.
Scimitar. Scimitar. Oryx. Scimitar.
Oh, he's the other direction.
What?
You're going the wrong way.
There he is.
Keep going. Say hi to the other ones along the way. Who's that? Oh, slow down. You might miss him.
Hi.
Hi. And Carson, are there lots of them in the world or not many left?
Not many what?
Why?
Because the people.
Did people do things to make them go away?
Yeah.
And what can we do if we want to take care of them?
Protect the earth.
We can protect the earth. That's right. Any other animals? What about target bums? You want to say hi to the target bums? Who's got the target bum? Do you remember?
No.
What are their names?
Waterbuck.
Waterbuck. Hi, Waterbuck.
Hi, Waterbuck. We'll see you next day.
Which one's that? Do you remember his name?
Yep.
Which one? What's his name? The red...
Red Leshway.
Red Leshway, that's right.
What's that?
Nile.
Nile Leshway.
Yeah.
Nile Leshway. Hi, Water Sea Cow.
Do you miss all the animals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I missed our guy.
Can you say hi, Adrian?
Hi, Adrian. Bye.
Bye, animals. Any other animals you want to say bye to? Hi
Hey, let's play Angry Birds. Angry
Okay.
Birds.